Construction and verification of 4-bit ripple counter. So here we require a JK flip-flop IC7476 along with IC trainer kit. A counter is a register capable of counting number of clock pulse arriving at its clock input. There are two types of counter, synchronous and asynchronous. In synchronous counter, common clock is given to all flip-flops, and in asynchronous, first flip-flop is clocked by external pulse and then each successive flip-flop is clocked by the output of the previous stage. Because of inherent propagation delay time, all flip-flops are not activated at the same time, which results in asynchronous operation. A ripple counter is an asynchronous counter where only the first flip-flop is clocked by an external clock. All subsequent flip-flops are clocked by the output of the preceding flip-flop. Asynchronous counters are also called as ripple counters because of the way the clock pulse ripples its way through the flip-flops. Ripple counters can be used as frequency dividers to reduce a high clock frequency down to a more usable value for use in digital clocks and timing applications. This is the logic diagram of 4-bit ripple counter. So here we can see the clock signal is only applied to the clock terminal of the first flip-flop, and for the rest of the clock inputs, the output of the previous flip-flop is taken and given. This is a pin diagram of IC7476. After connecting the circuit as per the logic diagram, we will be verifying this truth table for 4-bit ripple counter.
Hello students, now let us see the implementation of a 4-bit ripple counter. So for a 4-bit counter, here we have used JK flip-flop. Only the clock pulse for the first flip-flop is given through this input clock pulse, and for the rest of the flip-flops, the output of the previous stage is being fed as input to the clock pulse. Now because of the inherent propagation delay in the flip-flops, all the output is not activated at the same time, which is resulting in asynchronous operation. Hence this is an asynchronous 4-bit counter. Now this is the input. So when this input is given as high, that is 1, the output will be, the output LEDs will glow in an increasing fashion, that is from 000 to 1111. For each clock pulse that is given to the circuit, the counter will be increased by 1. So this we can verify through the output LEDs. So first it is 0000, then it is 0001, 0010, 0011 and so on up to 1111. So this is the 4-bit ripple counter.